they help informing people that there's going to be focused towards
You have the various vision and their role. A lot of instructions will be as a leader and lead.
So just know it, the HR system which kind of takes
The new industrial policy.
all the programs and policies and whatever we try to do from the headquarters will not have the desired impact that we would want. And that's why we've made a concerted effort in the past 5 to 6 years to regularly engage with the districts, especially the deputy commissioners, improve the system, get feedback, and it is based on the feedbacks and discussions only that we've seen small policy changes that took place, which actually impacted the public at large. Like the simple thing that our Chief Secretary was mentioning about giving relief at the grassroots level. So it really has an impact. So therefore, a lot of people may not feel how critical or may not realize how critical this particular meeting is. But I can tell you the kind of decisions that are made at the top level based on your feedback is very important for the public at large. So it's not about the $10 billion economy alone. A lot of people think that we are driven by is GDP growth rate and all these things. Yes, it is a number that allows us to move forward. But actually, if you look at this entire, government's agenda, the basic idea of the $10 billion economy is linked to 10 opportunities and 10, commitments that we're giving to the people. So while we achieve this $10 billion, we're also looking at the 10 promises that we're making to the people. Once we achieve the 10 billion, while we're moving forward, when we get the 8,000 crores worth of investment because of the investment policy we've come up with, we expect that 50,000 jobs will be created out of it. So therefore, it is all of these aspects are of course centered around the 10 billion, but there are 10 opportunities and there are 10 different commitments. For example, we want to ensure that the power connectivity, the road connectivity, the water connectivity, the IT connectivity, all of these connectivities are there to every grassroots village or household in the state. So like that, we have tied the vision of this 10 billion and connected it to different social and infrastructural goals that we have.